Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts. And today's What's New is on 5 new Mintay paper packs that we just got into our store. I'm going to go through each one of these fairly quickly because there is 5 of these and I want to keep the video short. But in each one of these paper packs you're going to get 12 double-sided prints, and these are the 12 by 12 size. So let's start with Elodie. I have been so excited for these to arrive. These are just absolutely gorgeous. All right, Elodie. So behind the front cover, they give you this little bonus sheet of cut-aparts. And we come to this print. And on the back. And we have this. Gorgeous prints. And this. We got our stripes. And the cloud background. Very pretty. Ooh, look at that. Some lace. And we have our little cut-apart sheet. And on the back, we have this. And then it looks like we start all over again, so you get 2 of each of the prints. So that is Elodie, and that is absolutely stunning. Our next one, little one. I have not done a baby album in so long. Let's get into this one. So little one, on the back of the cover they give you the bonus cut-aparts. Now what I like about this paper pack is that it could be for a girl or a boy. And I like that. Gorgeous. Oh, isn't that cute? We got a stork and all the little stuffed animals. And there's a background textured sheet. Absolutely cute. We got the stork again, the balloons. Oh. Whoops, the back. And we got this adorable print. And then the back. I love it. We have another gorgeous floral. And that. And then we come to the cut-aparts. Very cute. And then it starts all over. So you get 2 of the same prints. There's 12 double-sided all together. Let me know in the comments what you think about these. Nana's Kitchen is the next one. And I'm a Nana. Let's get into this. Alrighty, on the back. Awesome cut-aparts. Love it. Nice, pretty colors in this. I love it. It's nice. I hope you like it too. I like that print. Here's the next. And on the back. Oh my gosh, little recipes right back here. Very cool. Here's our next. And on the back. Great print. We got the dishes. I like these color themes. And then it looks like little note cards on the back, kind of vintagey. We got our floral on the back. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. And our fun little cut-aparts on the back. Nice colors. And then we repeat ourselves. That's Nana's Kitchen. Next, her story. All right, on the back. Very cool cut-aparts. That would be fun to implement into your mini album. We got some books, cups, floral, a lot of good stuff there. Oh, look at that. And then with the window with the lacy drapes. Very pretty. And an awesome background sheet to go with it. And here is our next page. And on the back, a bunch of windows. Now that gives me a lot of inspiration right there. And we have this. Very feminine paper. I love it. And the colors are great. And our background page are the frames. Oh, look at this. We have books. I like that background. And I like the colors they used. Really pops out. And then we have another frame. The one before was in pink. This one's in blue. And a gorgeous floral sheet. And we have that drapery lacy. Very cool. And our cut apart sheet. And on the back, right like that. And then we start all over again. Her story. We have one more to tackle. Mediterranean Heaven. Okay, very colorful. The color scheme reminds me of the Stamperia Blue Land. I don't know if it reminds you, but it does me. Back side, our bonus sheet. Good stuff. We've got ships, ropes, bottles. Very cool. Yeah, it definitely does. That's gorgeous. And on the back, another pretty print. I love that design, those colors. Those are just amazing. Okay, next. Oh, I love it. Little ropes. And on the back, one of my favorite, the wood grain. And we got the ocean, nice and vibrant, and brick. We got our floral sheet. That's pretty. And our background sheet. Our cut aparts, and we got a lot of good ones here. And on the back. And then we start all over, it looks like. Yep. So that is the Mediterranean Heaven. Let me know in the comments what you think of each. Link is below the video in the description area to my store if you're looking to get some of these. Happy crafting, everyone.